You sure?
Yeah, no, you look good.
Okay, good. All right, I'll start from here then.
I'm about to record a video with Wesley just to laugh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Q&A all about me. So, if you could, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So I'm first going to get started off with some of the general questions I get on Instagram about almost daily. What do you do for a living? Okay, so I'm in marketing. Right now I'm in a little bit into careers right now because I had to switch it up almost, you know what I mean? But I basically do marketing, and I got my degree from Limestone College in business marketing. So, and I have a minor in biology that doesn't make any sense. Anyway, so yeah, so that's what I basically do. I do marketing and also model on the side, and I'm trying to start up a couple of businesses too this year. So we'll see how that works. So, all right, and let's see, next question. How old are you? I'm 20 something. Let's just go with that. 20 something going on soon to be 21. Let's just say that. Okay. What is your ethnicity? I am black, but I have a lot of other races that come out so far. What? I'm sorry, there's other people here. But basically what my background is, both of my parents are black, but I do have Native American, Chinese, German, and French. Basically like a Creole in a way. And that's on my fraternal, no, that's on my fraternal, that's on my maternal side, so my grandfather. So we get all the Asian and all the European traits from him. And then on my grandmother's side, which is on my mom's side as well, they're Native American. So yeah, so that's something about it. Are you single? Yes, I am single, and I guess I'm gonna keep it that way too. I mean, everybody asks me like, oh, why you don't have a boyfriend? Because like, if you look at my other previous videos, like I would be like, oh, I never had a boyfriend before and stuff. I don't know. I like everybody. I don't have a type per se. I like, as long as you like good looking and I vibe off of you, like you're cool. But other than that, yeah, I'm just single. I'm not looking for anybody. So there you go. Do you know any languages? Yes. I speak a little bit of Russian, which is random. I just came across that like a couple years ago. And I'm not fluent in Chinese, but I do know phrases in Chinese, so there you go. What do you like to do in your spare time? In my spare time, I like to work out. I like to work out on the regular. Working out is fun, it relieves stress. I like hanging out with friends. Shopping is a good one. I do a lot of thrift store shopping, so a lot of my clothes are like vintage and like upscale consignment, so I just do a lot of those in my spare time. Okay, here's another question. Are your boobs real? Yeah, my boobs are real. Is your butt real? Yes, my butt is real. I get that all the time too. People say I have injections, and I'm like, no. And then they ask about my lips too. Like, no, I haven't had any work done. I remember when I went to Colombia, everybody was like, oh, your butt's gotten bigger. Oh, your lips gotten bigger. I was like, nope, didn't do any of those things. I got my tooth fixed, so yeah. that's fun. Okay, what is your favorite food? It's technically not a food. I mean, I love candy. Candy is really good to eat, I guess. So I'll say first is candy, and then sushi. Sushi's good too. So. Let's see. Where was your favorite place? This is a little bit misworded. Where is your favorite place to travel? That's a good question. I enjoyed Miami. Miami is really fun. You can just go down there by yourself and get free drinks all day. That's what I basically did. Yeah, they treat me like a queen when I'm in Miami. So, yeah, that's what I like to do. I love Miami. Where is a place that you want to travel to next? I would love to travel to Japan. Japan will be, like, that's my next big trip. I'm gonna plan it for next year. Hopefully I can get everything, like, you know, organized and all the other stuff so I can go. But I want to go to Tokyo. Let's see. What made you start solo traveling? This is probably gonna be another one of my story times. I was actually talking to a guy, and he was from Denmark, but he worked in New York, and so I wanted to go visit him and see him and everything like that. And like, this is like an online dating thing, so it's kind of like a catfish situation. Like, we Skyped, we talked, and like, I already got my tickets and stuff, and like, he already purchased them, so I went up there, and like, he wasn't even there. And I was like, oh great, I'm gonna be by myself. So that's what started my whole solo tripping. And I was like, oh, well, I can do this by myself now. Like, I don't need nobody. So that's what I did. And yeah, that's basically about it. Let me see. What's another question? What is your favorite spring lip? Well, the lipstick I currently have on now is kind of like my favorite. It is NYX Lingerie, and it's an exotic. It's the liquid lipstick line, so they're really cute. And I have one more question. I've gotten this question too. When I ask you about my wigs, like, I usually have blonde hair. I'm always blonde. You may see me like in brunette from time to time, but it's usually blonde. But what I usually do is, for my wigs, all my wigs are lace front, and I wear my natural hair, but I just have a cap on it. So just make it quick, easy, you know, just get to the day, all the other stuff. So that's about it. What's my time look like?
Oh, you weren't paying attention.
You wasn't paying attention?
Just wrap it up.
Just wrap it up. Okay. So
I mean, you know.
I know what you mean, baby.
How many braids you got in your week?
I don't have any braids in my wig. I just said that. I don't use braids. I use a cap. Whatever. Anyway. Anywho, so that's basically my Q&A. If you have any more questions, leave them down below, and I'd love to share them. Bye.